The Bird Bros. It's owl season.
We're going to top secret Owl Island, the specialist owl island of all mystery owl islands.
Amherst Island.
Isn't that where polar bears live? Alright guys, so this island here has lots of owls in the winter times, but you can't get to it by car, so you gotta take a ferry.
And that's what the Bird Bros are gonna do.
We took the ferries to see the birds.
Yeah.
It looks like the motors are taking off and getting ready to go.
Road trip time.
Well, kind of like a waterway trip in the ice time.
Oh, look, Sean, there's birds there. Some gulls.
Oh!
Looks like some herring gulls.
These guys here must be hanging out in the ice that the boat's breaking up.
People and birds working together.
Oh, look, and there's one. Hey guys, Bird Bros.
Bird Bros. Hi. Hello. Hey.
Oh, it looks like we're coming into the island here.
And we're off.
We're in the car.
Keep your eyes peeled for birds, boys.
Oh,
Neville's with us too. An American kestrel.
oh, these guys hang out in open habitats, open field habitats. Usually find them on low perches or wires.
Yeah, the smallest of the falcons in Ontario. Oh, I see the first owl of the trip. A snowy owl.
Jeez Louise! Snowy owls are probably the most deadly owl up here.
Oh yeah, and the females definitely are the heaviest of all owls. Whoa, check that out! Northern Shrike!
Shrike's is perched in the tree, waiting for some prey. Even in the cold winter time, these little birds can find something to eat.
Your owls come in too. Oh look, there's a red-tailed hawk. Looks like it just caught something.
Oh man!
Using that hooked bill to help tear the flesh apart.
Looks like he's getting food too.
Oh, Sean, you see that? On the other side of the road there?
Whoa, stop the car!
Oh, it's a deer!
Wicked!
Oh, isn't that cute? A deer on an island! Must have crossed on that frozen ice.
Bird Bros here at Amherst Island. It's a beautiful day, there's not a lot of wind, and we're looking for owls. We're gonna find some owls, because we are the Bird Bros.
But first, I gotta pee. We've just found a long-eared owl in the tree. Right here, like 15 feet away.
This owl here is one of the owls we came to see at Amherst Island, because they said that there's a ton of them here. It's really well camouflaged. These guys here will hang out in hedgerows along the edge of fields, waiting for things to run across, where it can swoop out and... A long-eared owl, fairly widespread and common throughout our province. Beautiful bird.
They have the orange facial discs and those yellow eyes you can just get lost in. And those ears are actually just feathers.
Yeah, they're not actually like a long-eared owl. Their ears don't even go long because they're like holes in their head.
Yeah, those are just feathers. Like I said.
Oh, and we've made it to the owl woods finally.
Looks like Sean's found something there.
Looks like a pellet. This is what owls kind of like hork up after eating their prey. They digest all the good shit, just hork up all the rest.
And usually, if you look up, sometimes you'll find an owl. Like these saw-whet owls. Saw-whet! There was one there, and then there was two.
Saw-wheat! Saw-wheat owl. The saw-whet owl is a tiny little owl. These owls, the saw-whet owls, may catch more than they can actually eat in a single sitting. So they'll store food, usually inside a little tree cavity, where it freezes quickly. Looks like it might be a 3-owl day.
Let's keep on searching.
Oh, and here's another saw-whet just sleeping in the tree. Like, are we just gonna see saw-whets all day or something?
That's 3 saw-whets already.
Oh, look how happy he is!
These guys are so cute. The Asians love them.
Saw-whets are the smallest owls in all of Ontario here. They're a tiny little owl, and they just chill around during the daytime, just chilling.
Yeah, they get about 7 inches or so.
Just like John's ego. Mine's fault. So guys, John and I here, the Bird Bros, and we just saw a barred owl.
Yeah, it's just over in the trees behind us. We'll show you in a second, but
This barred owl is a pretty cool owl. It's very large compared to the other owls we've seen today and that we might see later.
yeah, it's been a solid day for owling here on Amherst Island.
The barred owl you'll usually find higher up in the trees than the smaller owls that we saw before.
The only owl in Ontario with black eyes.
Solid black eyes.
Don't confuse it with the snowy owl. It's got the yellow beak.
The barred owl is most common for its hoot that sounds like, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all?" I don't know who cooks for him, but I know who cooks for me. My mom.
We've seen 4 different species of owls. Ballin'. Love this place.
Another saw-whet owl. 4th saw-whet owl of the day. Let's see if Sean sees it. He's gonna walk right by it.
Well, of course I see it.
Ah, yeah, nothing gets by you, bud.
My little camera there got a big ass zoom. You wouldn't believe. See that? Oh, looks like he sees me.
Yeah. I just missed it. He horked up a pellet just as I turned my camera off. That's what he's about to do right now.
Why'd you turn your camera off, John?
I know.
That's what we call a bird fail.
Oh, and don't forget to note the V-shaped white eyebrow. Well, we'll continue down the trail a bit farther. And then I heard it. Someone asking me, who cooks for me? A barred owl, of course.
That's the second barred owl we've seen. I can't believe the luck we're having with the owls today. Oh, and as we're driving down the road, about to leave, there's something else on the fence post. And that's not an owl we saw before.
Oh, those are short-eared owls. That's the 5th species of owl in one day today.
You know, those owls are threatened here in Ontario. Pretty darn rare.
And here we got 2 of them. sitting on a pole, stretching some wings, doing owl yoga. One of their main food sources are voles, like these voles here. They look volelicious.
Yeah. Voldemort.
Whoa, what's that?
It just flew by in the background?
No way, is that a snowy owl? Another snowy owl!
Jeez Louise! This place is just filled with owls.
This is owl-tastic!
Alright guys, well, we gotta get back to the mainland here. It's getting dark out. You don't want to be trapped on this island. I've heard rumors and stuff.
Yeah, it's getting a little chilly.
Yeah, man, this might be haunted, I heard.
Yeah.
Alright, back home. Love ya.
See ya. Bird bros out.
Much love.
See ya. Bye.
Subscribe.
Yes,
Share.
like it.
Much love.
Tell people about us.